Hey guys, I'm here about Hurricane Sandy. Over 264,000 people have gotten the electricity cut, and right here is a tree. Really see the trees ripping out of the ground. Really ripping out. The tree is leaning on those two trees, and it's gonna cut the wire, and then we're gonna lose power. Surprised we haven't lost any power yet. Really surprising. Really windy out. I'm not sure when this is gonna end. I think the end of Tuesday, and it's just really powerful. No trees have fallen out yet over here. Very crazy. See the tree just ripping apart out of the ground. Whenever a big, huge wind comes by, it shakes. Every once in a while, once a big gust of wind comes, you can see it pulling out of the ground. Like, hold on. Okay, I'll pause the video until a big gust of winds come, okay? Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. As you can see, it's not really shaking now, but if I kick it, you can see it shaking. Look. See a big gust of wind and the whole thing shakes. See that? It's shaking. It's pretty crazy. Now I'm going to be right back and I'm going to show you a view of the backyard. Guys, we're in our backyard. This is, look at all the trees shaking around. Extremely windy. All that back there. Flood. All that. So crazy. I'm going to go get a closer look. See if there are any trees ripping out of the ground. Oh look, squirrel. Well, I don't really see any other trees ripping apart over here. That's good. Really wet. Really flood. This thing is moving around. Extreme puddles. It's just insane. Trying not to get wet. Everything's shaking out there. Well, thanks guys. That's all I wanted to show you. If you're really surprised at what's happening, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys.